Before fabrication begins, our teams review each drawing directly through our digital system. Revisions, specifications and approvals are all controlled in one place, reducing risk and eliminating paperwork gaps. Every component is logged and traceable. Material batches, fabrication stages and inspection points are recorded in real time. This means full accountability and full transparency for our clients. Using augmented reality, our team can compare the physical build against the digital model. Here are two plates that are identified as being out of position. The issue is immediately logged within the system. A non-conformance report is raised, documented and tracked through to resolution. Nothing is missed and nothing moves forward without a sign-off. Weld inspections and conformity checks are completed and recorded. Every stage is digitally verified, giving clients confidence that the standards are being met. Once all quality checks are complete, the beam is digitally signed off and released for painting, with full traceable record behind it. Full traceability continues to be recorded right through to final loading and dispatch. This gives our clients complete confidence in what leaves our workshop. GR contracts, quality and traceability to suit our clients' needs.